In this video, you'll learn how to use the typeof operator to identify the data type of elements in JavaScript. The typeof operator accepts and evaluates a parameter and returns the name of the data type, represented as a string. To use it, you can type typeof followed by the parameter enclosed within parentheses. In my code, notice that I have created several instances of the variable test. Each is assigned the typeof operator with a different parameter. To check the result, I'm also using the console log method to output the value of the variable test. Okay, so as you might notice, I have commented out all the lines of code containing the test variables. To demonstrate the typeof operator using different parameters, I will uncomment each of these lines one at a time, run the code, and then inspect the output. First, I uncomment line 3, which contains the typeof operator passed a parameter of a string. When I run the code, notice that the name of the data type is output, which is a string. Next, let me uncomment line 5, which contains a number value. I rerun the code and notice that the data type named number is output. If I perform these steps on a decimal number, I get the same result for the decimal number 3.14. Okay, let's now check the Boolean data types of true and false. If I run the code, the data type named Boolean is output to the console. I uncomment line 11, rerun the code, and notice that Boolean is also output. Okay, next, let me show you that you can also pass comparisons as they will evaluate to a single value, in essence, a single parameter. For example, you can pass a condition like 1 is less than 2. When I run the code, Boolean is output. You can also pass an array as a parameter to the typeof operator. However, the result might be somewhat surprising. For example, here I have an array containing the numbers 1, 2, and 3. If I run the code, the data type named object is output. This is because arrays in JavaScript are actually objects. Passing an object through the typeof operator also returns object. Finally, you can pass a function as a parameter of the typeof operator. If I uncomment line 19 and run the code, notice that the data type named function is output. Okay, and that's it for this video. You now know about the typeof operator and how it can be used in JavaScript to check the data type. I encourage you to try it out in your own practice code.